Hey, welcome to Sci-Fi Show. So, first news is scientists have discovered a molecule that is antibacterial, which derived from wasps. Wasps is like similar to bee that produce honey, and as you know, when we eat antibacterial body, bacterial died, but due to biological evolution by Darwin, then the bacterial get evolved, and they become more resistant to our medicine. So beef swabs may be very useful. The venom, it is a venom that directly kill. So, uh, so in medicine, venom will not be used, but in venom the molecule, antibacterial molecule, will be used. Second news is oxygen supply failed in International Space Station. It is from Russia, and the machine which produce oxygen, uh, it is decided to be used for it is effectively for 15 years, but they have used 20 years till now. It is 20 years, so it starts dysfunctioning. So thankfully there are no astronaut defected. So third news is YouTube will remove all the video claiming that conspiracy theory, and making harmful claim that rooted from conspiracy theory. What is conspiracy theory? Conspiracy theory is a theory that never proved, and when sometimes it become very dangerous. So people got fooled by that claim. So it's a very nice move. So Orbital Sidekick, it is a company, US company. Orbital Sidekick wins 60 billion US dollar. It's maybe lottery? No, it's not a lottery. It's contract between US Air Force and Orbital Sidekick, and US Air Force. Uh, they have contracted um, to discover the Earth thing, like something happening, some activity, some military activity, or like it is a 3D imaging. It is far better from our general mobile camera. It is called hyperspectral imaging. So in this stage, Orbital Sidekick will have to launch 6 spectral imaging satellite. The rumors is coming that one already have sent, but it is not sure. And our in normal camera, there are 3 sensors. There is a spectrum, uh, here increasing frequency and decreasing frequency. If frequency increase, then wavelength decrease. Then most frequency is our cosmic rays, then gamma rays, then our visible spectrum, VYB GYOR. So violet have high frequency, and red have low frequency, and violet have low wavelength, and red have high wavelength. And VY, then come visible spectrum, then radio spectrum. They are also radio are divided in many types. So our camera captures only 3 light: RGB, red, green, blue, and with that combination we see all the picture, all the color. So in hyperspectral imaging, mm, all bandwidth, all the spectrum, it will capture and process image. It is very fine and 3D imaging, and many information we will know about that object. So researcher found cyanobacterial mat that is threatening to coral reef. So what is coral reef? Coral reef is the most divergent environment. So coral reef is in water. You may have seen in deep water that deep diving, that's something like starfish, jellyfish, and the tree, water tree there, and it is most divergent. There are many species in that area. It is called hotspot. So researcher found that the bacterial may threatening, that bacterial is called cyanobacterial mat, that may be threatening to coral reef. So thank you for listening, and subscribe to my channel for daily updated science video.